What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to export video in Adobe Premiere Pro, so let's get right into it. Once you are ready to export, go to File, click on Export, and click on Media. You are going to see some presets already ready to go, which you can change if you want to, but I would just leave them alone, as the ones there will get the job done. You can change the file name right then and there, or click on Location and change it there, which also you'll be able to save your video wherever you want. I usually save them to my desktop. Now click Save, then click on Export, and your video will start exporting instantly. Once done, go to your desktop and your video should be ready. And that's it, guys. How to export video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.